Hello, Central Kentucky. If you're in the process of buying or selling a home in Frankfort-Franklin County, Kentucky, or if you're just curious about the current market there, you've come to the right place. Welcome to our update of the latest local real estate trends as of November 2023. We're going to discuss the 5 real estate indicators that are shaping the housing market in Frankfort-Franklin County and how each impacts buyers and sellers. By the time we're through, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of who benefits given the current market conditions. We'll even take it a step further by covering what buyers and sellers need to know to make the best real estate decisions. And we're off. Let's start with the first indicator, month supply of inventory. This indicator tells us how long the current inventory of properties in Frankfort-Franklin County would last at the current rate of sales. In November 2023, the month supply of inventory stood at 1.92 months, indicating that if no new properties were added and sales remained steady, it would take almost 2 months or around 57 days to sell all the properties on the market. Compared to the previous month, the month supply of inventory fell 2.5%, indicating a slight decrease in the time homes are on the market. Looking back a year, it was down by 3.5% or 2 fewer days. 6-month supply of inventory represents a balanced market, favoring neither buyers nor sellers. With the current 1.92-month supply of inventory, buyers find that homes are snatched up quickly, potentially leading to multiple offers and increased competition. For sellers, it indicates that the market is moving at a quick pace. This presents a favorable environment for sellers looking to make a move in the current market conditions. Now, let's shift our focus to the current inventory. This indicator gives us a snapshot of the number of homes currently available for sale. It's important to note that the number of homes on the market can vary as it depends on when the report is generated. By consistently using the same day each month, we can establish meaningful month-to-month trends. As of November 15th, there were 85 homes available on the market in Frankfort-Franklin County. This represents a 4.5% decrease compared to the previous month. Compared to last year, when there were 109 homes on the market, we observe a 22% decrease in the number of available homes. So, the current inventory serves as a balancing act for both homebuyers and home sellers. Buyers have about the same number of options to consider and are just as likely to find a home that perfectly matches their preferences and requirements. Sellers are operating in a market where demand remains robust. With the right pricing and marketing approach, sellers can stand out in the crowd. With the current inventory holding steady, this indicator continues to favor sellers. Stay tuned as we delve into the remaining indicators, including the most requested indicator, providing you with a comprehensive overview of the Frankfort-Franklin County real estate market. Next, the existing home sales volume measures the total sale price value of properties whose sales contracts were completed during the month. In November 2023, a total of $15.7 million worth of property was sold in Frankfort-Franklin County. This represents a significant 117.7% increase compared to the previous month. When compared to last year's $11.2 million worth of sold property, we observe another large increase of 120.4%. For buyers, this suggests that there is increased competition in the market due to the increase in sales. For home sellers, it implies that the market is moving faster, which could result in shorter listing times and potentially higher selling prices. Sellers may want to revisit their pricing or marketing strategies to attract buyers in the current market conditions. It's important to note that the existing home sales volume indicator provides a gauge of the market activity during this period and favors neither buyers nor sellers. Now, let's turn our attention to the median sales price, the most requested real estate indicator. Median sales price provides insights into the midpoint price of homes sold in a specific area during a given month. Unlike the average sales price, the median sales price eliminates the influence of exceptionally high-priced homes, giving us a more accurate representation of the market. In November 2023, the median sales price for a home in Frankfort-Franklin County stood at $247,500. This reflects an increase of 17.9% compared to the previous month and is up 10% over last year. Buyers, this increase might catch your attention. The increase in the median sales price makes homes less affordable, given the current interest rates. It may also discourage some buyers, which could decrease competition. Sellers, this is an encouraging sign for anyone looking to sell their home. It means that despite fluctuations, the market has retained its value, and sellers are still operating in a market where their property is likely to hold its worth. So, with the increase in median sales price, it's a reminder that this is still a seller's market. Before we summarize the 5 key indicators for November 2023 and reveal who benefits from the overall market in Frankfort-Franklin County, let's look at our last indicator. The continuous days on market indicator provides insights into the average number of days it takes for a listing to go under contract. This calculation considers the period from when a property is listed until it is under contract, subtracting any days when the property was off the market. In November 2023, the continuous days on market for Frankfort-Franklin County stood at 28 days. This represents a slight decrease of 1% compared to the previous month. When compared to last year, we observe a 3.5% decrease in the continuous days on market. For buyers, it's still a fast-paced market. Homes are being snapped up quickly, and you'll need to act swiftly when you find a property you love. For sellers, it suggests that your property is in high demand, and the market is moving swiftly in your favor. Shorter days on market can mean less time, effort, and cost spent on property maintenance and holding costs. It's still a favorable environment for sellers, offering a relatively quick turnaround. Now, let's recap the insights we've gathered about the key local housing market indicators for November 2023 in Frankfort-Franklin County, Kentucky. We determined that the month's supply of inventory favors sellers, indicating that homes are still selling at a fast pace. This creates an advantageous environment for sellers in terms of pricing and competition. Current inventory favors sellers, with the low inventory holding steady. The existing home sales volume, a gauge of the market activity during this period, favors neither buyers nor sellers. The median sales price, reflecting the midpoint price of homes sold, also favors sellers. The increase in the median sales price indicates a market where property is likely to hold its worth. Lastly, the continuous days on market indicator shows that the market still favors sellers due to homes going under contract faster than in previous months. Considering these key indicators collectively, the overall market for November 2023 in Frankfort-Franklin County, Kentucky favors sellers. Before we sign off, we want to provide some practical guidance for both buyers and sellers. Buyers. Inventory is steady compared to last month, meaning that you now have about the same number of homes from which to choose. Mortgage interest rates are high and falling. Decisive buyers have a narrow window to capitalize on less competition, while others may pause to consider. Remember the adage, marry the home and date the rate. If you find your home, you can potentially refinance as rates settle back down. Prices are up from last month. In fact, with low inventory and strong demand, it's likely prices will go higher. If you find the right house, wouldn't it be great to make the move while all these factors are in your favor? Sellers. Timing the market is nearly impossible. The best we can do is read and react to the data available. The median sales price increased significantly in November. With low inventory levels, well-positioned listings with a great mix of price and condition sell quickly. Days on market is 28 days, which means homes are still selling quickly. Have your realtor run the numbers based on the market and see if that achieves your financial goals. It's best to act now if you're ready to sell. If you like this market update, share it with a friend and please reach out if you have any questions or suggestions. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge you need to make informed real estate decisions in Frankfort-Franklin County. Each month, we explore the latest local real estate trends of central Kentucky counties. In addition to Frankfort-Franklin County, we provide updates on Lexington-Fayette County, Lawrenceburg-Anderson County, Versailles-Woodford County, Nicholasville-Jessamine County, and Georgetown-Scott County. And if you're interested in a broader perspective, be sure to watch our monthly national real estate metrics videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to providing you with more insights next month. Thanks for watching.